Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Expert. If you're a business owner or planning to start your own business, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the world of DUNS numbers. Ever heard of it? If not, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. So what exactly is a DUNS number? Well, a DUNS number, short for Data Universal Numbering System, is a unique 9-digit identifier assigned to businesses by Dun & Bradstreet, a leading global business information provider. Think of it as a social security number, but for your business. It can open many doors for your company, giving you the opportunity to partner with other businesses, submit contract bids, and more. This number helps identify your business worldwide, making it easier for companies, governments, and financial institutions to recognize and track your business. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, a DUNS number is your global business identity. Now, why is having a DUNS number important? Let's talk about the benefits. First up, credibility. Having a DUNS number boosts your business's credibility. When other companies or potential partners see that you have a DUNS number, they know you're a legitimate business. It's a mark of trustworthiness in the business world. Second, it helps in accessing credit. Dun & Bradstreet uses your DUNS number to track your business's credit history. This credit profile can be crucial when applying for loans, credit lines, or even leasing equipment. Lenders and suppliers often check your DUNS number to assess your creditworthiness. Third, global recognition. Your DUNS number is recognized internationally, which is particularly useful if you're doing business across borders. Many global companies and governments require a DUNS number to do business with you. And finally, if you're looking to secure government contracts, especially in the US, a DUNS number is often a mandatory requirement. Without it, you might miss out on lucrative opportunities. Wondering how to get your own DUNS number? It's simple. You can apply for one directly through Dun & Bradstreet's website. The best part? It's free for businesses in the US and many other countries. To obtain a DUNS number, you'll want to visit the Dun & Bradstreet website, www.com/www.com/duns.html. That's the organization that issues these numbers. They have a straightforward process for getting your DUNS number, and the best part is that it's free. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to pay a dime to get your DUNS number, which is a relief considering how many fees and costs can pile up when you're starting a business. Once you're on the Dun & Bradstreet website, you'll need to navigate to the section for obtaining a DUNS number. They usually have a prominent link for this, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on that link, and you'll be taken to a form where you'll need to provide some basic information about your business. This includes your business name, address, and phone number, as well as the name of the owner and the type of business you're running. It's important to fill out this form accurately. Any discrepancies in the information you provide could lead to delays in getting your DUNS number. So double-check everything before you hit that submit button. Once you've filled out the form, you'll submit it, and then you'll need to wait. The processing time can vary, but you should receive your DUNS number within a few business days. If you're in a hurry, you can opt for expedited service, but that may come with a fee. Now, what if you already have a DUNS number and you just want to check it? Maybe you've lost track of it, or perhaps you're not sure if you ever got one in the first place. No worries, there's a way to check your DUNS number as well. Again, you'll head back to the Dun & Bradstreet website, http://dnb.com//dunsnumber/look. This link also available in the description box of the video. They have a section dedicated to checking existing DUNS numbers. You'll need to provide some information about your business, similar to what you provided when you applied for your DUNS number. This includes your business name, address, and possibly other identifying information. Once you've entered the required details, you'll submit the form, and if your business is in their database, your DUNS number will be displayed. If it's not, you may need to apply for a new one. So, there you have it. A quick guide to what a DUNS number is and why it's so valuable for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with other business owners, and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and insights. Have any questions or experiences with DUNS numbers? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep growing your business.